Today's vlog is a real Lagos hustle experience. We woke up super early and headed to the cheapest meat market in Lagos. It was intense, but we came back with cow head, cow leg, tomatoes, and some stories too. We left the house around 7 a.m. because the slaughter at the market starts right on the dot. If you're not early, you either miss out or pay more. Lagos doesn't wait for anyone. This is one of the most affordable places to buy meat in Lagos. But most affordable doesn't mean easy. You have to know your way around. So we decided to buy cow head. It's expensive, but we shared it with someone else. The total cost was 140,000 and we paid 70,000 naira for our own share. Sharing like this makes big meat purchases easy to manage, especially when you are buying for a large household or occasion. We got 4 pieces of the cow leg at 7,500 each. That's 30,000 just for the leg alone. Then we paid 2,500 for cleaning and blowing and 1,000 for cutting. These little costs always add up. But you can't skip them if you want it done well. After blowing, we move straight into the cleaning section. This part is fascinating, no machine, just old school precision. These boys boil hot water using firewood and is hot water they use to clean the cow skin. No roasting, no burning, just enough heat to soften and remove the hair without damaging the skin. It is a traditional method that has been passed down for generations and it gets the job done right every time. These boys are skilled, I mean crazy skilled, scraping off the thick hair and doing it without messing a bit. They are quick, they are focused and they know exactly what they are doing. Every stroke of the knife, every scrub is precision. They've mastered this art and they are doing all this under the hot Lagos sun. It's easy to buy clean meat in supermarkets and forget this step even exists. But these boys, they are the real reason that cow leg soup hit different. They make sure it's clean and ready for the pot. At this point, I had to pause, really watch what these boys were doing. They were cutting up the cow leg and not just casually. They were separating it like they had a purpose. And me, I wasn't just filming for fun. I wanted to make sure nothing was missing. Every part counts. Because here is the thing. They didn't give us the bone from the cow head. The whole skull gone, same thing with the leg. And when I asked, they said something that really made me stop and think. They said as long as you cleaned the meat in the market, the skull of the cow belongs to the market, same with the leg. So basically, unless you're the one butchering it at home, the extras like the head bone, the legs aren't part of your share, even if you're the one buying the cow or paying for the service. It made me realize something. Sometimes when you are new to this traditional system, there are unwritten rules nobody tells you about. If you're not paying attention, things can go missing right under your nose. And that's why I stood there, camera in hand, eyes wide open, not just to capture moment, but to really see what's going on. Because if I had not, we probably would have walked away thinking everything was fine and not noticed what we are missing. So lesson learned, don't just film. Ask questions, watch closely, and most of all, don't assume you're getting everything you paid for. One of them just walked up and said, Madam, you go buy 1K nylon, make we put the meat inside. 1,000 naira for nylon just to carry meat. I said, no, 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 I did not buy cow to now start buying nylon like I'm shopping luxury bag. Wrap it with whatever you people have. I'm not adding 1K. It is like they will try to catch you off guard with these side charges. If you're not sharp, they will turn you from cow owner to cow sponsor. We bought small basket of tomatoes for 2,500. Honestly, you can't cook without tomatoes. Even if meat is the main thing, you still need your pepper base. Shopping like this is hectic but smart. Splitting meat bills, budgeting for extras and waking up early. That's how you survive and save. Especially with how things are now. Every naira counts. If you find this helpful or enjoy watching, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment and share.